I wanted to show you how to navigate your course. This is the Social Studies course for 5th grade. Over here you've got the Class Dojo icon if you want to edit your Class Dojo avatar. You've got Start a Hangout. It says you have to be logged into Gmail for this button to work. You click the button, then you type my last name and I'll pop up. You could also follow the directions to call me using the internet, which is cool, or text me here. Here's where you're going to do attendance. You check in once a week. Tell me what's easy, what's hard. Here's the welcome letter and pacing guide. They'll live in this folder. See how I'm clicking open and close the folder? Don't click here or else you'll go inside the folder and sometimes it's hard to get back to the list of folders. I always just click open the folder like that. Here's the first folder of work. It is called Getting Around the World. Learning target is basically what you're expected to learn and how you're going to prove to me that you learned it. It says, I will learn to use latitude and longitude to locate places on a map. I will know I'm successful when I submit my latitude and longitude of my city in the forum. That's this thing here, where are you? I will submit my latitude and longitude project. So the first thing you're going to do to start this whole endeavor is click into Understanding Latitude and Longitude. A trick I like to use is right-clicking on the link. You get a choice. I like the choice Open the link in a new tab. The reason I like that is I've just opened the new assignment right here, but I can go back to my list of assignments right here. They sit next to each other. I like that better. You might not like it, it's up to you, but I like doing that. So let's look at the assignment. The first page of every assignment, every folder at least, it's going to tell you about your project. At the end of the folder, you'll need to submit a project. Click here for more information about your project. Watch the video for more details. I'm making the video right now. So I'm right-clicking it and opening it in a new tab. Here's all the information I need to do my project. It's all the resources. Click and download the file below. This document needs to be completed and submitted at the end of the folder after you've completed the lessons on latitude and longitude. So you don't need to do the assignment right now. It's just giving you the stuff to do the assignment. You may do this by using an online program, and I hyperlinked this to go to a website to teach you how to use Microsoft Paint if you want to use it, or you can just print it out and do it by hand. Here I link you to the section of reading. If you got lost and you don't know how to get back, this is how you get back to the reading. But let's click and download the map to see what we have to do. It's coming. I promise. Let's try this. Nope. We did it here. Yep, right there. It says you have to follow the directions. Mark the location 26 degrees north, 105 degrees west with a black X. So in the reading and in the video, you're going to learn how to do that. So you're just going to put a black X on the spot that they tell you to. Mark the location 35 degrees north latitude, 75 degrees west longitude on the map with a green X. And you follow those directions. Like I said, you can do it by hand or you can do it online. It's your choice. So let's go back here. And then you're going to turn it in when you're done. I can X out of this tab because I'm done. Let's go back to the reading. So watch the video we're making for more details. Let's click to read the text. Here's the text. You're going to read it. You're going to take notes. Then you're going to go to the next page. You're going to watch the video on how to use latitude and longitude. You can say, let me see the project information again because I want to remember, hey, what was I supposed to do to get a grade? Or you can just click done. If you click done, this is what you should see. Return back to blah, 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 review your grades. I X out and just go back to my own list. Here's my list. So I've done this part already. I watched the video, I did the reading. Here's a game I'll play. And here's the forum. Remember, I need to do the forum to get a grade. And this is where I'm going to submit my project. I'm opening them all in separate tabs. Then I can just click back and forth between them. First one's a game. Let's look at the game. This is follow the directions on the top of the screen. Only click on the blue dots that match the coordinates on the top of the map. Click here to play the game in another window. Sometimes scrolling up and down inside this little window is hard, so you could right-click it, open it in a new tab, and play it in its own window. That might be more fun. You follow the directions, and it shows you how to use latitude and longitude, so it gives you a little bit of practice. When you're done playing the game, you come back to the list. You've done the game. Now you're going to do the forum. It says click here to use the site below, or use the site below. So you could do it in a separate window, or you could do it here. Zoom in on Florida, then zoom in on your city. Click on the center red mark button. Find the coordinates for your city, not your house. The latitude and longitude will appear below the map. Post it to the forum. I want you to tell me, using latitude and longitude, where you live. Don't tell me I live on Smith Street. I want to know Deltona. What's the latitude and longitude of Deltona? So you're going to zoom in the best you can. Let's find it. And you're going to mark it with the red mark. And then down here at the bottom of the screen, it's going to show you the latitude and longitude right here. It's a center red marker. So you're going to click on your city, and then it should appear the latitude and longitude button right here. See? So I don't live in Orlando. I live down I-4 a bit. There's Deltona. Click right there. And let's look at my latitude and longitude. I've got 28 and 81, so I'm going to copy that and put that on the forum by adding a new discussion topic. And you see I already did. I put Deltona up. You're going to add a new discussion topic and copy and paste yours into there and write down what city it is. So that's one way that you got a grade. Let's go back. You read it, you watched a video, you played a game, you added to a forum, and now here's where you're going to submit your project. I already opened it right here. Click the Add Submission button below to submit your finished map. If you printed the map and did it by hand, please submit a photo of it. So you just click Add Submission. Here is my map. On the bottom, it says click and drag, or you can just click in here. Upload a file. Choose a file. You search on your desktop or in your computer until you find the one you're looking for. Click on it. Click Open. And then click Upload this file. Takes a second. And so then you've uploaded the file. You save the changes. And then you turned it in. If you have any trouble turning in a file, let me know. I can show you how to do it. I can do it remotely from my computer, so it's not a big deal. Let's go back to the list and make sure we did everything. We read, we watched the video, we played the game, we turned in our location on the forum, and we turned in our project. So we're done. We can close the folder and move on to something else. Hope that helped.